is for the Technology Leader of the Year, Information Technology, USA, and the award goes to Mr. Arvind Kumar Bhardwaj, Test Lead, Capgemini, United States of America.
Hello, my name is Arvind Kumar Bharadwaj. I am working in Capgemini as a test lead in Houston, Texas, USA. I would like to begin by expressing my deepest gratitude to the Leaders Award jury for awarding me the Technology Leader of the Year award for Information Technology USA category. I have been given this award for my outstanding contribution and pivotal role in advancing the field of DevOps and software testing. I humbly accept this award. I am looking forward to even contribute more to my exciting field. Thank you.